Hello, Centennial Scientists! We are so excited to have you join the Wet Science Center today for a science experiment. And first, I want you to see where I am. I am standing at the local wastewater treatment plant in downtown Olympia. We are cleaning up all the water that you're sending down the drain when you wash your hands, flush the toilet, here at this facility. It's really awesome. And take a look and notice all the cool technology, the water, and the experiment that you'll be doing with us today is to figure out what are the only things that we should actually be flushing down the toilet. So come on in closer to follow along with the science experiment.
Hello, scientists! We came in from outside, inside to the Wet Science Center to do our You Flushed What experiment. If you don't already have your supplies ready, you can gather them up and then come back to join as we follow along to see what are the only things you should flush. So pretty straightforward. We're gonna 1, gather supplies, 2, follow along with this video, you're already doing that, 3, fill your container or bowl with water. I'm going to be using some containers with lids. You can also though use a bowl and a spoon to mix it up. So I'll fill up my container with water. Step 4 is add toilet paper to the water. Close the lid if using a container. I'll take a couple squares of toilet paper, put it in, close the lid. Now step number 5 says to shake and mix with a spoon, so I'm going to be shaking, for 1 minute. Start your timer, start shaking, and then come back when you're ready for your next step. Now that you've shaken your toilet paper for 1 minute, down in the box here it says describe what it looks like after 1 minute. I want you to make some observations about what it looks like. And what I can see here is that it looks like the toilet paper all dissolved or it broke down. Very interesting. So if something's breaking down like this, when it goes into our sewer pipes down the toilet, it won't clog anything. That means, yes, we should flush it. Now on to step number 7. You will repeat all of that for paper towel and for your wipe. Go ahead and do that. Come back to compare your results with mine. We are now coming back together to look at the results. If you were not able to do the science experiment, you can record the results based off of what I found here. The first one we had is toilet paper. It dissolved just like it would in a sewer pipe. So toilet paper, yes, it is okay to flush. Then we have a paper towel. This looks kind of similar to the paper towel I put in. It did not break down like the toilet paper. Therefore, should we flush it? No, it should go into the trash. And then here on the wipes, the water is kind of soapy. This wipe is definitely how we found it. Wipes oftentimes have plastic or other things in them that make them very durable. And even if they say flushable, we should not be flushing wipes. They can clog pipes and cause a nasty mess. Fill out your chart, and then the final piece we have are the reflection questions. For the reflection questions, we have, why is it bad to flush products that don't break down into small pieces? Well, if we flushed a lot of things that didn't break down, they could clog our pipes. That would be gross. The next question is, even wipes that say flushable should not be flushed. Where should you put them? Into the trash can. Everything except toilet paper should go into the trash can. Thanks for doing our science experiment with us.